Students, now I am going to discuss the question number 2 and 3 of exercise 7.2. Look at the question number 2. Express the following as a mixed fraction. Now here the fraction is given 20 by 3. It's an improper fraction as numerator is greater than denominator. And we are asked to express this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be expressed as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator to get the quotient and remainder. So children, here you can see I have divided the numerator 20 by the denominator 3. 3 6 are 18 and 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. Here the quotient is 6, which we consider as a whole number. Remainder is 2, which we consider as a new numerator while writing the mixed fraction. And denominator we keep as it is. Hence the mixed fraction is 6 and 2 by 3. Now coming to the second, improper fraction is given 11 by 5. Again, to express this improper fraction as a mixed fraction, let us divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Here 2 is the quotient, right, which we consider as a whole number in mixed fraction. 1 is the remainder, which we consider as a new numerator, and denominator we kept as it is. Hence the mixed fraction is 2 and 1 by 5. Now coming to the third, the fraction is given 17 by 7. Again, to express this improper fraction as a mixed fraction, we first divide the numerator 17 by the denominator 7. Now 7 2s are 14 and 17 minus 14 is equal to 3. Here the quotient is 2, which will be your whole number. Remainder is 3, which will be your new numerator in mixed fraction. And denominator we keep as it is. Hence our mixed fraction will be 2 and 3 by 7. So children, likewise you can express any improper fraction as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Now coming to the question number 3, express the following as an improper fraction. In this question, some mixed fractions are given to us and we are asked to express this mixed fraction as an improper fraction. So let's see how to express it. The first mixed fraction is 7 and 3 by 4. Now to express this mixed fraction as an improper fraction, first we multiply the whole number and denominator. So it's a 7 into 4. Then we add numerator to it plus 3 and denominator we keep as it is. Now let us solve. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 and denominator will be same, which is 4. Now 28 plus 3 is equal to 31 and denominator will be same, which is 4. Hence the improper fraction is 31 upon 4. Now coming to the second example, mixed fraction is 5 and 6 by 7. Again, to express this mixed fraction as an improper fraction, first we multiply the whole number and denominator. So it's a 5 into 7. Then we add numerator to it plus 6 and denominator will be same, which is 7. Now 5 7s are 35 plus 6 and denominator will be same, which is 7. 35 plus 6 is equal to 41 and denominator will be 7. Hence the improper fraction is 41 upon 7. Now coming to the third, here the mixed fraction is 2 and 5 by 6. Now to express this mixed fraction as an improper fraction, first we multiply the whole number and denominator. So it's a 2 into 6. Then we add numerator to it plus 5. And then we keep the denominator as it is. Now 2 into 6 become 12 plus 5 we write as it is and denominator will be same, which is 6. Now 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 and denominator will be same, which is 6. Hence the improper fraction is 17 upon 6. So children, likewise you can convert any mixed fraction as an improper fraction